Hi everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to create your own berry calendar using Canva. From picking templates to adding personal touches, Canva makes it easy to design a calendar that's both beautiful and functional. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, click on Templates. You can find templates at the top or at the bottom of your page. Either option will work. Just click it. Next, type in the search bar, Calendar, then press Enter. Here, we can choose from a variety of calendars. Some are for premium users only. If you see a crown logo, it means it's a premium template. Once we find the right template, just click on it. Then click Customize this template. We will be taken to the editing page. This is where we create and edit our calendar. We can add text to the canvas, and we can also edit any existing text. We can customize the canvas to fit our needs and make changes right here. In the Content tab, we can add different types of content based on our preferences. We can also connect other platforms to the calendar. Just customize it to suit our needs. We will find elements, effects, and text options at the top or on the sides of the dashboard. Once we are happy with the design, just click Save. Our personalized Canva calendar is now ready to use or share. With just a few simple steps, we can make calendars for ourselves, for friends, or even as gifts.